Uro Vaginal Probiotic Reviews. Does it actually promote vaginal health? So the Uro Vaginal Probiotic Review is a woman's health supplement designed to support vaginal balance, pH levels, and overall microbiome health. It typically contains strains like the Lactobacillus reuteri and the Lactobacillus rhamnosus, which are more commonly researched for their role in promoting healthy vaginal flora. So the product is marketed as a natural way to reduce odor, discharge, and discomfort while maintaining a long-term feminine health. So let's talk about its pros. So it contains the probiotic strains linked to vaginal and urinary health. It may help balance vaginal pH and reduce infections. It supports urinary tract wellness in addition to vaginal care, and it is easy to take for the capsule form. The cons is though, the results can vary depending on individual microbiome. It is not a replacement for medical treatment of infections. It may cause mild digestive issues when phase starting, and more expensive than general probiotic supplements, so it can get expensive than other supplements. So overall, it is a legit supplement aimed at women who want to naturally support vaginal health and pH balance. While it isn't a cure for infections, it may help maintain a healthy microbiome and reduce recurring discomfort.